Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, we're going in for something totally different. As you know, June is Pride month. A lot of events unfortunately got cancelled. However, I think it's always a good excuse to put on some colorful makeup and enjoy the beauty of colors. So yeah, I thought I want to create something still for this month, and even though we might not be having those Pride events and stuff like that, you can still try it out. Maybe if you're going to a particular smaller event. Also, you can test it out for future events or maybe for next year's Pride. So yeah. So basically for today's look, I'll be using the James Charles Morphe palette. As you know, I already used this. It has all the colors we need for this look. So there's no better palette, I think, to create this look with. As you can see, it's a look where we have like the yellows, orange, red on top, and underneath we have the green, blue and purple. So if you want to learn how you can achieve this look, I'll be doing a step-by-step tutorial and you can watch it right now. So I'm gonna start off with priming my lid. I'm using the Revolution concealer in C1, and using a concealer brush, I'm going to apply it all over the lid. Today, since we're doing a very colorful look, it's even more important to prime your eyelid because the colors will be more vibrant and it will obviously last longer. So I'm going to use this color as a base. I'm not going to do a lot. This is called Canvas. So I'm going to go in, tap off any excess and just go over the eye, just slightly. I'm not going to do a lot because I want the colors to be nice and vibrant. We're going to start off from the inner corner and we're going to start off with the yellow shade. So I'm going to go in with this small blending brush. This is by Morphe, the M506, and I'm using this bright yellow down here. This is called B. Since we're using very colorful colors, you have to build up the color slowly so you won't have any fallout, a lot of fallouts. So I'm gonna start off on the lid and then I slowly build upward. So I'm not gonna blend too much upwards because then we'll see as we're blending the colors together we might need to go a bit further up. So I'm gonna stop somewhere around here for now because I don't want to overdo it, because then since we have to blend the yellow with the orange and then with the red, you might need to blend even further. So it's better to stop a bit here now and then we blend later on. Now we're going to go into the orange. I'm going in this Wycon E11 and I'm going in with the orange up here. This is called 518. And also I'm going to take a bit of this one, which is rusted. So I'm going to mix a bit of both. Tap off. And I'm going to go in next to the yellow. I'm not blending it straight away, so I'm tapping. And I'm tapping a bit, not like on top of the yellow where we're going to blend next to it. So then, when the brush is like almost clean, I'm going to go in and blend them together. Okay, so as you can see, we blended these two. Obviously, for now, I'm gonna leave it like that because then we blend again together and further up. And also, I'm gonna blend it slightly here, so now I can blend it in the reds. I'm now taking this brush. This is the JH33 Morphe. This is the Jaclyn Hill collection, and I'm taking this red over here. This is called Just Kidding. Now I'm gonna go in a bit slightly more next to the orange because since now we're on the outside, I want to have a nice blended out. So I don't want to have the strong pigment very far away, so I'm gonna go in here. Okay, so now I'm gonna go with a more fluffy brush. I'm taking this one and I'm gonna blend in these two. I'm gonna go in again with the orange. You need to kind of build in slowly these. And once you start blending together, some tones lose their pigment. So I'm gonna go in with this fluffy one, very similar to this one. This is the Morphe one. I'm gonna blend the edges. Slightly more using the brush, which I actually use for that color. Of course, you will see that like here now, since we blended the colors upwards, some of them did lose the pigment, so you need to go in. When using bright colors, this is more visible, so you need to blend slowly, retouch, you know, so it's kind of a process. So this is a very it's gonna be, as you saw, a very colorful look, but it's not that hard and that complicated. So I mean, it is going to take you a bit longer than any particular way, because you have to blend in the colors and like retouch, go over, blend again, apply it. So I mean, the process is longer than just applying a simple brown makeup look or something like that. But for using colorful shades, it's not that bad. So I'm gonna go in with this one now. This is the Wycon E04, and I'm gonna go in this like shiny one. This is called Ring Light. So I'm gonna go in with this one. Also, if you want the colors to be even more brighter, you can just apply it directly on top of the concealer, so don't set the concealer. Now I'm going to start off underneath. So we're going to start off again from the inner corner, and we're going in with the green one. I'm going in with this one. This is called Social Blade. So like the green is going to be on underneath the yellow, so it's going to start off from the inner corner and stop somewhere along the yellow. Okay, so next to it we're going to go in with the blue one. I'm using this one, which is called Playground. Okay, and the last color is going to be the purple. I'm gonna go in with this one. This is the Morphe JH39. I'm using this purple here and the one on top of it as well. So this is called Playground, Single, sorry, and this is called Love That. This one is gonna join the red one. So it's basically it. I'm gonna do the other side and I'll be back. So I finished off the other side. I applied a bit of black eyeliner on the waterline and also put on a set of lashes. I cleaned off the edges a bit and applied this liquid golden glitter in the inner corner to kind of open up a bit more. For the lips I chose this shade. This is the Russian Red by MAC. It's a matte lipstick. You can go for a more toned down look, so you can apply like a nude shade or anything similar to that as well, but since we're going in with this colorful pride look, I thought the red would look quite nice. So I hope you like this look. I know this is something different, but I thought it would be nice to try it out. I know this year things are a bit different and most probably won't have any those big events. However, I think you can all try it out and test it out. You can also start practicing for future events. So that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll be seeing you again next week with something different. If you actually try this look out, you can post a photo on Instagram and tag my account, GlamourDiana, and you can also drop any comments down below. I'll be seeing you again next week. Until then, stay safe. Bye.